students, I am Vikas Sharma, and now we are new session and new subject for me. You have already studied in class 11th, but I am teaching in 12th economics at you at the first time. So if you learn with me, the economics is a very interesting topic and subject for you. It is nothing but the key, the success on this subject, the work hard for you. The first chapter in the economics class 12th part 1 introduction. Introduction में what is this, how can we learn, we can understand these things in easy language. Let us study that microeconomics. It is a study of behavior of individual units of an economy. It is a main unit that study of the individuals' behaviors and the consumer production etc. That product consumer purchased with us and the producer product this product easily. So we can say that is the economics. Okay, economics are divided into two parts. First we can microeconomics and the macroeconomics. Microeconomics is a behavior of the personal units and the macro is a group studies and a group of productions. Micro means is the individuals studies. So let us the things economy, and economy is a system by which people get their living, and economics is a system where the people get their living. Understand? What they work for their living is called the economy. Type of economy. Economy are three types. First, capitalist economy, market economy. The second name is market economy of capitalized economy. Second, socialist economy, planned economic. Third, mixed economic. So the fourth point is market economic. It is an economic system in which all material means the production are owned and operated by the private with profit motive. Market economic, in this economic the production is going on by the private persons. Private persons product their product for the profit motive. Otherwise, none of the private person cannot product any product if he have no profit, because every private person and every private company and every private firms produce their product for the profit motive. Okay, understand? And the next, the planet economy. In this economy, all material means of production are owned by government or by the centrally planned authorities. It means the planet economy, that economy which material production are owned by the government, otherwise the centrally planned authority. All important decision regarding production, exchange and distribution of goods, services are made by government. In the economy where the production by controlled by the government or the government authorities, as a production and other activities of the business, that is called the planet economy. Okay, understand? I got it. You have not understand, please call me, I explain later then. The economic problem. An economic problem is basically the problem of choice. An economic problem, we can say the problem of the basically of choice, because the economy such a problem of choice which arise due to scarcity of resources having alternative use. These problems are used by the lack of product. So that means the scarcity, which things you can buy difficulties. So we can say the scarcity. Now those we can give the examples of remdesivir's injection. At this time is a very lack of the product of remdesivir injections for corona disease, because the effect of the remdesivir more than the other medicines. So it is a scarcity of the resources. Other alternative sources have in the market of the remdesivir medicine, but the public prefers to the remdesivir. Understand? That is the economic problems. Causes of economic problems. Economic problems की causes हैं scarcity of resources, unlimited wants, limited resources having alternative use. Basic central economic problems. All allocation of the resources. What to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. The three allocation of the resources is the first part. So guys, we are understand here what is the economics and what is the economics in economy, and the understand type of economics and market economics and planned economics, and we understand the economic problems, and we understand causes of economic problems. Understand? Okay.